AI engineers are playing a crucial role in transforming data science by turning abstract theories into functional, real-world AI systems. As the architects of AI, they design, develop, and operate AI models and infrastructure, ensuring that data science moves from research to impactful application. AI engineers bridge the gap between research and real-world applications by developing and implementing advanced models. They manage AI infrastructure, ensuring scalable and efficient deployment. Specializing in cutting-edge technologies, they push the boundaries of machine learning and automation. Their expertise blends software engineering with AI, making them crucial in modern data-driven industries. Proficiency in key programming languages like Python and TensorFlow enables them to build powerful AI solutions. AI engineers act as the bridge between the theoretical work of data scientists and real-world AI applications. While data scientists focus on building algorithms and models, AI engineers ensure these concepts are implemented into functional systems that businesses and industries can use. AI engineers are responsible for designing, developing, and deploying AI models. Their work ensures that machine learning and deep learning models are not just theoretical constructs but fully operational tools that enhance automation, analytics, and decision-making processes. AI models require a strong technical foundation to function efficiently. AI engineers build and maintain the infrastructure that powers AI systems, optimizing their performance, ensuring scalability, and addressing computational challenges. Cloud platforms such as AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure play a significant role in AI deployment, and AI engineers are skilled in leveraging these services. AI engineers work with a range of advanced technologies, including natural language processing, NLP, building AI-driven chatbots, language translators, and sentiment analysis tools. Machine learning, ML, training models to recognize patterns, predict outcomes, and automate complex tasks. Neural networks, developing deep learning systems for image recognition, speech processing, and autonomous decision-making. Unlike purely theoretical data science roles, AI engineering is deeply practical. This attracts professionals who enjoy applying their knowledge directly in real-world projects, making AI engineering a rapidly growing field with high demand in industries like healthcare, finance, retail, and technology. AI engineers require expertise in programming languages to develop AI applications. The most commonly used languages include Python, the leading language for AI due to its extensive libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. Java, often used in enterprise AI solutions and large-scale applications. R, popular in statistical computing and data analysis. C++, valued for its high-performance capabilities in AI and machine learning algorithms. AI engineers combine traditional software development skills with advanced knowledge of AI and data science. They not only write and optimize code but also work on model fine-tuning, data preprocessing, and AI system integration. Their role requires expertise in software architecture and development, data structures and algorithms, model deployment and monitoring. AI engineers are at the forefront of making data science more practical and impactful. By bridging the gap between research and real-world application, they ensure AI technologies are accessible, scalable, and valuable across industries. Their expertise in AI models, programming, and infrastructure management is crucial for the future of AI-driven innovation. Thank you for exploring how AI engineers are revolutionizing data science with us. Are you excited about the video? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more cool AI tool recommendations, like, share and subscribe to check out these videos next.